A restaurant owner in Tampa, Florida is being met with backlash after deeming his restaurant a safe harbor for police officers. One America's Sinclair has more from New York.
A Florida business owner is under attack after showing support for our law enforcement at a time where police officers across the nation are under intense scrutiny. After posting a sign outside his doors that included a gold police badge, the restaurant has received a host of social media abuse and threats saying the restaurant will be burned to the ground. This all for standing in solidarity with our law enforcement. Ron Pentotti, a 61-year-old Navy veteran, said it all started with a Facebook post where he declared his restaurant would be a safe haven for officers.
I just had enough. It's like, we have gone crazy in this country. And I was venting, and I posted on my restaurant webpage about how we support the law enforcement and we support the officers, and you can come in here for a safe place to eat. And then it blew up to people started attacking me. The left wing started, we're not going to eat at your restaurant anymore.
It started as a Facebook rant, then turned into a movement. He was met with nasty comments from some and positive reaction from others, the latter overwhelmingly ahead.
Most people are emailing, but these are physical letters that just came in today. We had the same stack yesterday, and it's coming in with well-wishers telling everybody, they're telling us to keep it up. We're proud of you. We respect you. We're behind you 100%.
Now dozens of officers stop in to thank him on a regular basis. The restaurateur filed paperwork for a not-for-profit that includes the website WeSupportLawEnforcement.org. Since then, he says he received $10,000 in donations from all across the world. This to show support for and help feed local police officers.
Stand up. Stand up. Shout to the top of your lungs. We support law enforcement. We won't tolerate this craziness anymore.
Pentotti says other business owners have already reached out looking to spread that same message. He says he hopes across the nation people will follow in his footsteps. Caitlin Sinclair, One America News, New York.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.